thousands of these disco stickers to my face. Yeah, this is a look I've been wanting to do for a while now, and I've been putting it off, putting it off, putting it off, putting it off. It is the Scooby-Doo Disco Island skull.
And Spooky Island Disco Skull, I promise.
And I'm gonna finally just go for it. Already made everything that I need, I hope, being my prosthetic skull base, so that I've got something that like changes the shape of my face, and loads of these points. So for my beep. Because I'm a reuse recycle queen, we're going to use an old bowl cup. I think this was from Rocket Raccoon, so I'm going to use this because I'm going to be covering it all anyway, so you're not going to see any of what was there or any rough edges. So reuse, recycle your bowl caps, don't throw them away, you never know. Here we go. Good stuff. Also, as another preventative measure, we're going to stick down my eyebrows just so I don't lose any hairs today. So we have my purple glue, and don't look too close at it, but my very grotty comb that I use for sticking down my eyebrows. So I don't need to do this neatly, just because my eyebrows are going to be covered, I think. So it doesn't have to be perfect. I just need a layer of glue on there so that the adhesive does not go onto my eyebrows. So that will do. If you want a proper eyebrow blocking tutorial, let me know. But yeah, not necessary today. Next, we're going to stick the prosthetic-y bits on. So we'll start with the top. It looks so goofy, but hopefully once I stick all the things on it, it'll look right. And for this, I'm going to use Prozaid, which is like a medical grade adhesive. And it's a two-way adhesive, so we need to put it on the back of the prosthetic and also on my skin so that it can like bond, you know? I'm going to push that down until it's stuck, until it is dry. I'm gonna have to mouth breathe. I'm probably gonna sound congested for the rest of this. Same for the bottom half, Prozaid on my face, Prozaid on the back of the prosthetic. Make sure I stick it the right way. Does that look right? That does not look right. Oh my god, I stuck it upside down, that's so embarrassing. That could have gone drastically wrong. Make sure you stick your prosthetics the right way up. That would be a great start. Here's where we get to the complicated part where I need to think a lot, which is not my strong suit. I need to stick the mirror stickers on. Now these are self-adhesive, however, the adhesive is quite strong. I don't know what it's made out of, so I don't want to stick that on my skin. It might not be particularly safe. It might get stuck. And yeah, I don't want to end up in A&E today, so I'm going to be very sensible. We should always be sensible. And I'm going to, I think I'm going to use liquid latex. I just need something to barrier. Actually, I mean, not much of it's going to go on my skin anyway. What I think I'm going to do is work from the inside out to get these to lay properly. And then when I get up here, we'll stick the points on. I think that makes sense, and that's what I'm going to go for. I'm going to say now that because this is reflecting my ring light, things might get very shiny, so flash warning. What I have to do is crack these. Oh, that's probably like ASMR. I have to crack these by their rows, peel them, and then also like crack them individually so that they can bend, if that makes sense. I don't stick them on one by one, I do them by rows because otherwise we would be here forever, and I don't have forever. What I'm gonna do is take my latex, which has gone really thick because it's like dried up in the pot, but it's fine. I'm gonna take latex and then stick it down. I mean, this is not on my skin anyway. However, it might be fun to peel it off, so yeah. I'm gonna use latex everywhere. Latex down. Stick it on. And I'm just gonna keep repeating this. And repeating this, and repeating this. Until it's all done. It's been about an hour, and this is where I am at, looking very sparkly. I'm gonna do is, I mean, there's not really much of a base on this. I probably should have given them bottoms, but I didn't think that far ahead. So I'm just gonna put the Pros Aid on the like edge and hope for the best. And just, yeah, I need to be careful how I move my head, but that seems pretty stuck on. So I look like a Teletubby. And then just hold it until it sticks. I'm just going to have to repeat this process for the whole of my head. That is them all stuck on, and that is where I'm at. So what I need to do is fill in the gaps, basically. So more sticking, I can't move my head too much, so I need to be careful. That is now all my sparkle stuck on, and then I'm going to fill in the gaps with black face paint. And there is some white showing from the side of the prosthetic pieces, so I am also going on that. Okay, I'm going to add the finishing effects like the teeth, and I want to kind of paint my chest to look like the wall, and then I'll be back. And here we have it. What do we think? I definitely look like the Spooky Island skull, but from Wish. And this is definitely one of the top 10 cursed things that I've done. But I did it, and that's all that matters.